Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Reviews First. Are you looking for the top 5 best portable washing machines of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best portable washing machines of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft portable washing machine delivers powerful, convenient laundry care in a space-saving design. With an 11 pounds capacity, it easily handles daily loads for apartments, dorms, RVs, and small families. The fully automatic system simplifies washing with 6 versatile programs: normal, heavy, gentle, quick, bulky, and spin, so fabrics receive the right care every time. A built-in drain pump ensures efficient water removal, even when sinks or drains are elevated. Smooth rolling wheels and a compact footprint make moving and storing the washer effortless, while the transparent lid lets you monitor cycles at a glance. Intelligent controls optimize water levels and wash time to save energy without sacrificing performance. Quiet operation keeps your space peaceful, and durable construction supports long-term reliability. Setup is quick and straightforward, requiring minimal space and tools. Whether you need a primary washer for limited spaces or a reliable secondary unit, this COMFEE portable washer combines efficiency, flexibility, and modern convenience to keep clothes fresh, clean, and ready for everyday living with confidence and ease at home. Number 2. Auertech portable washing machine is a smart solution for small homes, apartments, dorms, RVs, and camping use. This 28 pounds twin tub washer combines powerful washing and efficient spinning in a compact, space-saving design. The semi-automatic system features an 18 pounds washing tub for daily laundry and a 10-pound spinner that removes excess water quickly, reducing drying time. Equipped with a built-in drain pump, the machine allows effortless water discharge without manual lifting. Durable construction and simple rotary controls make operation easy for beginners, while saving water, electricity, and time. Its lightweight body and convenient handles make it easy to move and store when not in use. Ideal for delicate clothes, baby garments, towels, and everyday wear, the Auertech Mini Compact Laundry Machine delivers reliable performance wherever traditional washers are impractical. If you need an efficient, portable, and budget-friendly laundry solution, this washer-spinner combo offers practicality, convenience, and dependable cleaning power. Perfect for limited spaces, it supports quick wash cycles, customizable timers, and quiet operation for everyday convenience at home daily. Number 3. The Auertech 28 pounds portable washing machine is a powerful and convenient solution for modern living spaces such as apartments, dorms, RVs, and small homes. Designed with a fully automatic system, this top-load washer takes the hassle out of laundry by handling washing, rinsing, and spinning with ease. Its generous 28 lbs capacity allows you to clean more clothes in fewer loads, saving both time and energy. Equipped with a clear LED display, the washer makes operation simple and user-friendly. You can choose from 10 versatile wash cycles to suit different fabric types and laundry needs, along with 5 adjustable water levels for efficient water usage. The 24-hour delay start function offers added flexibility, letting you schedule washes around your daily routine. Built with durability and performance in mind, the Auertech portable washer delivers strong cleaning power while remaining compact and space-saving. It's an ideal choice for anyone seeking efficiency, convenience, and reliable washing performance in a portable design. Number 4. The Black Plus Decker 0.9 Cu. Foot Portable Washer **** is a smart and space-saving laundry solution designed for homes, apartments, dorms, and RVs. With a 6.6 pound load capacity ***, this compact washing machine easily handles everyday clothing, towels, and small bedding while fitting neatly into tight spaces. It features 5 versatile wash cycles: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, allowing you to choose the ideal setting for different fabric types and soil levels. The washer includes a quick connect sink adapter, making setup fast and hassle-free without permanent plumbing. Its stainless steel tub ensures durability and gentle yet effective cleaning, while the transparent lid lets you monitor each wash cycle. Designed for convenience, the unit also offers automatic water level selection, low-noise operation, and easy-to-use electronic controls. Energy efficient and portable, the Black Plus Decker portable washer saves time, water, and money by reducing trips to the laundromat. It's a reliable, practical choice for anyone seeking efficient laundry care in limited living spaces. Number 5. The Midea Portable Washing Machine, 0.9 Cu.ft** is a compact yet powerful solution for small homes, apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and condos. Designed for convenience, it features 6 versatile wash cycles that handle everything from delicate fabrics to heavily soiled clothing with ease. The quick cycle is perfect for lightly worn clothes, saving time and energy, while the drum clean function helps maintain hygiene and long-term performance. Built with a durable stainless steel tub, this washing machine resists rust and odors, ensuring reliable and gentle washing. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the wash process at a glance, and the modern LED display makes cycle selection simple and user-friendly. Despite its compact size, the 0.9 Cu.ft capacity comfortably handles daily laundry needs. Finished in a clean white design, the Midea portable washing machine blends seamlessly into any space, delivering efficient performance, easy operation, and dependable quality in a space-saving design.